Hey, I'm Lazy Video Guy. Today we're comparing rolling shutter on the a6500, FS5 and XT3. I've made this kind of super gross monster rig that holds all three. I'm just going to be wiggling the tripod side to side, panning, and we'll see how they all perform. Okay, so here's the FS5. Looks pretty good. The a6500, not renowned for having the best rolling shutter in the world. As you can see, it's pretty nasty. The XT3 looks pretty similar to the FS5 actually. I think they're probably about even. And here's all three side by side so you can kind of roughly see what's going on. Again, I think the XT3 has nailed it. Really well handled rolling shutter. If we really roughly line these up, I'm just going to use the fence in the garden as a horizontal reference. Again, obviously this isn't that scientific, but it seems like the XT3 handles it best. Cool, thanks for watching. I hope that was of some use to people. I saw in the comments a few people were asking for rolling shutter, so hopefully that's been vaguely useful. Again, just chuck in the comments if there's anything else you want to see.